Stop buying expensive snacks. Make your own banana bread with just 3 ingredients instead. Alright, let's get started. First up, you'll need 3 ripe bananas. Make sure they're nice and spotty for extra sweetness. Mash them up in a bowl until they're smooth and creamy. Next, grab a can of condensed milk. Add the entire can to your mashed bananas. This is going to make your banana bread super moist and delicious. Now, for the final ingredient, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift it into the bowl to avoid any lumps. Mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Optional step: if you fancy a bit of crunch, toss in a handful of chopped walnuts. Gives it a lovely texture. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a loaf tin and pour your batter in. Smooth the top with a spatula. Pop it in the oven and bake for 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the tin for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, deliciously simple banana bread with just 3 ingredients. Give it a go and let us know how it turns out. Happy baking!